finally found a realistic water mod for Minecraft Java. I thought I'd pair it with a shader because without a shader it looks horrible. I only made the graphics of the shader BSL, to be more specific, horrible because like the water is kind of laggy even though I'm on an M4 Mac. But the way I spawned the water, I put in an enchanting table and then I break it and then the water starts flowing. And as you can tell, this is not a render. But once again, this is not a render. I repeat, this is not a render. I will spawn in some wandering traders as well, because why not? So I think I might as well make a video to satisfy you, or at least make you enjoy stuff. So stay tuned for that. And I just find a skin on some random website, but if I just put it on anyway because it looks cool. And also, like, when I walk through this, like, you can tell it moves with my body and everything. The thing is, this is client side, so if I refresh my shaders, it's gone. So it will be even more satisfying. You could do like a waterfall, whatever I like, or even like 4 corners. Like, this is exactly like the ones in the YouTube videos, just slightly less detailed, because those ones are actually renders. So Blender renders, at least, like that kind of stuff. This one is basically just the exact same thing, but like it's not as realistic. And I mean, you can't change it if you go over to physics settings, liquids. Over here, liquid CPU threads. Disclaimer: if you leave this to the default, your game will lag out like crazy, and eventually, once there's enough water, your game will crash. So I do not recommend you do that. Also, I have turned off realistic oceans because it was also taking up a lot of my FPS, but it looks beautiful. You should install the mod for yourself if you want, but I'm in the pro version. And this spawns in the infinite water source, but if you want a temporary one, get a wet sponge, a melon, basically, like, let's say I want a temporary one, put down the wet sponge, break it, and then just burst into lots of water. But yeah, for now, this is basically all I have to showcase. So once again, if you want this mod, I recommend you get a shader to go with it. But the mod is called Minecraft Physics Mod, and you need the pro version for the liquids to work. You can turn it on or off. Make sure that you turn it on into settings because by default it's off. And yep, that's about it. Bye-bye.